And I've learned that just listening to someone and saying, "Oh, yeah, that sounds hard," but not changing my behavior at all, that doesn't count as, um, making them feel seen and heard. And I've come up with this personal rule that if someone is concerned about something, I'll meet with them in a one-on-one environment after
Mm.
the group meeting, not the place to talk about their concern. And then actually take an hour to like your concern, make sure I understand it. And then as their emotions de escalate, that makes them feel heard. Maybe I don't act upon that concern, or maybe we find out it's not a concern. They just needed someone to walk them through their thoughts and help them think through things. And then other times it might be a valid concern. And then you have to take that further and just be like, okay, I'll look into it. Actually go track down and see if that's a risk
Yeah.
behavior, making emotional effort, not saying, "Hey, yeah, that's an interesting thought."